Welcome to our video on the architecture of intelligence. Today we explore how specialized microchips like the CPU, GPU, and NPU are powering the AI era. Modern computers rely on a powerful team of three specialized microchips: the CPU, known as the general brain, the GPU, the parallel muscle, and the NPU, our AI specialist. The central processing unit, or CPU, acts as the system's brain. It is designed for sequential processing, making it ideal for running your operating system and web browsing. CPUs offer high versatility and software compatibility. However, their sequential nature makes them inefficient for massive AI mathematical workloads. The graphics processing unit, or GPU, is the parallel muscle of the system. It uses thousands of small cores to perform massive amounts of calculations simultaneously. GPUs are essential for building AI in the cloud. They are powerful enough to train large language models, though they consume significant energy and generate considerable heat. When it comes to on-device AI, we face a challenge. CPUs are often too slow, while GPUs can drain laptop batteries very quickly. We need a better solution. Enter the Neural Processing Unit, or NPU. This chip is specifically designed for machine learning workloads, mimicking neural networks for maximum efficiency. The NPU is built for matrix math. With high-speed on-chip memory and simplified arithmetic, it provides instant AI responses while remaining power-efficient. To summarize, CPUs manage the system, GPUs handle parallel computations, and NPUs specialize in efficient neural network inference. Modern devices now feature a unified chip architecture. By combining these three processors onto a single silicon die, systems can intelligently route tasks to the best chip. In a typical user workflow, the CPU manages apps, the GPU renders graphics, and the NPU handles background AI tasks like noise cancellation and face tracking. We are shifting toward edge computing. By enabling on-device AI, NPUs keep your sensitive data private and eliminate the latency of relying on the cloud. The rise of the AI PC means next-generation computers now feature dedicated NPUs. This unlocks local AI assistance and delivers massive productivity gains. The future of intelligence is defined by the integration of these technologies. With CPU, GPU, and NPU working as a trinity, efficient AI is now a standard for modern PCs.